you're ever visiting Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail and you want to drop by a really cool hidden waterfall, right off the road is a little tucked away paradise, and it's got a really cool waterfall and just completely covered with a canopy of trees. Waterfall in the background, huge rocks, and just a very scenic place to just chill out, maybe pack a lunch or wade in the water. But check this out, I'm going to show you what it looks like. So you come down here and literally cut away is like a little hidden paradise almost. Not almost, it is, because back here, this is what you got. Look at that. A lot of big rocks that you can just relax on. Perfect scenic backdrop. Water just feeds down. Just sit on this big rock I'm standing on right here. Pretty cool, huh?
Smells good. Can you smell that?
Yeah, you can actually just smell nature out here. There's like a good fragrance out here. Looks like you could just travel right up the side of the woods there, across those rocks, and probably just go sit right there by the waterfall area. Maybe even get in that water right there. Yeah, and just do a little swimming right there in the Roaring Fork Creek. But the thing I like about this area is it's completely covered in this canopy of trees. So it keeps it nice and shady back here. And Sarah's actually going to take off her shoes and decharge a little bit by putting her feet in the creek water, which is going to be nice and cold, as it is all year long. And all that water goes downstream, straight down the mountain. There's Sarah taking a picture of me as I take a video of her. Yeah, so what'd you think? Pretty cool, huh? But anyways, I'm gonna leave better directions than my explanation of where you can find this off the Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail. But just wanted to come to you with that little tip. If you're out on the trail, riding around, maybe looking for black bears, maybe you went out for a little hike and you wanna just escape and pull over and find a cool spot to have a picnic lunch or something, definitely check this place out, because really feel like it's one of the prettiest spots off the nature trail. So hope you guys liked the video. If you did, give it a like, and I'll see you guys soon on the next one. Might not be much of a landmark for you, but here's a big rock right off the side of that road that you can look for, which I'm sure there's probably many more of these, but right next to this rock is the little entrance point to that hidden area where you can just chill out by that waterfall.